Hey there, America! Buckle up because things just got interesting in the world of money. We're talking about a seismic shift, a game changer in the financial landscape. You know how we have a big old reserve of gold tucked away for a rainy day? It's been our financial safety net for decades, a symbol of stability and wealth. Well, guess what? We've got a new kid on the block, the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. This isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap into the future of finance. Yeah, you heard that right. Bitcoin, that digital money everyone's been talking about. It's been making waves and now it's part of our national reserve. Turns out, former President Trump signed an executive order to make it happen. This move was bold, unexpected, and has set the stage for a new era. Just like that, we're holding a chunk of Bitcoin, seized from some not-so-legal activities. These digital assets were taken from criminal enterprises and are now part of our financial arsenal. Don't worry though, your tax dollars aren't funding this digital shopping spree. This isn't coming out of your pocket, it's all from those seized assets. It's like finding 20 bucks in your old jeans, except this time it's a whole lot of Bitcoin. Imagine the surprise and excitement of discovering such a valuable asset. Now some folks are scratching their heads, wondering why on earth we're diving into the world of digital currency. It's a fair question, and the answer lies in the evolving nature of money and technology. Don't worry, we'll break it all down for you right after this. Stay tuned as we explore the implications, the benefits, and the potential risks of this groundbreaking move. So, why Bitcoin? What makes this digital currency so intriguing, and why is it capturing the attention of governments, investors, and tech enthusiasts alike? Why is the US government suddenly so keen on this digital gold rush? It's not just a passing fad or a speculative bubble. Well, there are a few reasons. First off, remember inflation? That persistent rise in prices that erodes your purchasing power over time? That pesky thing that makes your dollar worth less over time? It's a constant concern for both consumers and policymakers. Bitcoin's got a trick up its sleeve, a fixed supply. Unlike traditional currencies that can be printed at will, Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. That means there's a limited amount of it out there which some experts believe could act as a hedge against inflation. This scarcity is a key feature that sets Bitcoin apart. Secondly, the world is changing, becoming more digital by the day. From online shopping to virtual meetings, our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology. And the US? We like to be ahead of the game. Embracing Bitcoin is part of staying competitive in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. Owning Bitcoin is like grabbing a piece of prime digital real estate, ensuring we're not left behind in the digital dust. It's about securing a foothold in the future economy. Finally, other countries are already dipping their toes in the crypto waters. Remember El Salvador? They made headlines by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. They went all in on Bitcoin. This bold move has sparked a global conversation about the role of cryptocurrencies in national economies. The US, being the trendsetter that it is, doesn't want to be caught napping while the rest of the world is busy innovating. By exploring and potentially adopting Bitcoin, the US aims to maintain its leadership in the global financial system. Moreover, the underlying technology of Bitcoin, known as blockchain, offers a new way to secure and verify transactions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance to supply chain management. As more people and institutions begin to understand and trust Bitcoin, its adoption is likely to grow. This could lead to a more decentralized and resilient financial system. In conclusion, Bitcoin represents a blend of financial innovation, technological advancement, and a response to economic challenges. Its journey is just beginning, and its impact could be profound. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Bitcoin's price. It's a topic that has everyone from tech enthusiasts to seasoned investors buzzing with excitement and speculation. What happens when the most powerful country in the world decides to back it in a big way? Imagine the ripple effects across global markets and the potential for mainstream adoption. Well, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to guess that the price might just go a little bananas. The excitement and frenzy could lead to unprecedented highs, with traders and investors scrambling to get a piece of the action. Some folks are even throwing around predictions like $1 million a coin. While that might sound far-fetched to some, others see it as a very real possibility given the right conditions. Think about it. When a government shows this much confidence in something, people tend to take notice. It's a powerful endorsement that can sway public opinion and drive massive investment. It's like your Uncle Sal suddenly investing in your nephew's lemonade stand. Suddenly, everyone in the neighborhood wants to buy a cup, thinking there must be something special about it. People start lining up, wondering what the fuss is all about. Curiosity and FOMO, fear of missing out, drive more and more people to jump on the bandwagon. Of course, nobody has a crystal ball, and the crypto market is as unpredictable as a cat in a laser pointer factory. Prices can soar one moment and plummet the next, leaving even the most experienced investors scratching their heads. But one thing's for sure, things are about to get very, very interesting. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, the next chapter in Bitcoin's story is one you won't want to miss. So, buckle up and stay tuned, because the ride is just getting started. The US making a move like this isn't just big news here at home, it's sending shockwaves across the globe. Think about it, the US has always been a financial heavyweight. When we talk, the world tends to listen. So, what message does this Bitcoin move send? Well, it basically screams, we believe in this. And when the US throws its weight behind something, others tend to follow suit. Countries that were once hesitant about this whole digital currency thing might just start reconsidering. Businesses, investors, even your grandma who still uses a flip phone, everyone's going to be asking, is this Bitcoin thing for real? Section 5, El Salvador and beyond, a new era of digital finance. Remember El Salvador, the little country that could? They took a gamble and made Bitcoin their official currency. Some folks cheered, others scratched their heads, and the International Monetary Fund basically threw shade their way. But here's the thing. El Salvador might just have been ahead of the curve. With the US now on the Bitcoin bandwagon, it's a whole new ballgame. Suddenly, the idea of digital currencies being the future of finance doesn't seem so far-fetched. We could see more countries following suit, businesses embracing crypto payments, and maybe even your grandma buying her groceries with Bitcoin. Who knows? The future is digital, and it's closer than we think. Section 6, the future of crypto beyond Bitcoin. Now, before you go betting your life savings on Dogecoin, let's be clear. Bitcoin isn't the only digital kid on the block. There's a whole world of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own quirks and potential. There are stable coins designed to be, well, stable. Then there are digital securities, which are like digital stocks and bonds. And let's not forget about digital tokens, which can represent anything from virtual concert tickets to loyalty points. While Bitcoin is grabbing the headlines right now, it's important to remember that the world of crypto is vast and constantly evolving. Who knows what the next big thing will be? Section 7, Sovereign Wealth Fund, a separate playground for digital assets. Now, some folks are saying, hey, if we're going all in on digital assets, why stop at Bitcoin? And you know what? They might have a point. There's talk of creating a separate sovereign wealth fund, a fancy term for a government investment fund. This fund would be like a playground for riskier digital investments. Think altcoins, those cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin, and even stocks. The idea is to have a dedicated pot of money to explore the wild west of digital assets, potentially reaping big rewards for the country. Of course, with great rewards come great risks, so this fund would be carefully managed to avoid any financial fiascos. Section 8. The U.S. takes the lead. A new era begins. So, there you have it. The U.S. is officially a Bitcoin believer. This move has the potential to reshape the financial landscape, boost Bitcoin's value, and encourage global crypto adoption. It's a bold move, a step into the unknown. But as with any great adventure, there are risks and rewards. Only time will tell what the ultimate impact of the U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve will be. But one thing's for sure, the future of finance just got a whole lot more interesting. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be buying your morning coffee with Bitcoin too. Just remember to tip your barista.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.